Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open MetaMask on Chrome. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, use the search bar to find MetaMask. It's crucial to verify that you are selecting the official extension to ensure security and avoid any fraudulent versions. This initial step sets the foundation for securely managing your digital assets. After locating the official MetaMask extension, click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up window will appear, asking for your confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. Within a few moments, the MetaMask Fox icon will appear in your browser's toolbar, usually in the top right corner. This indicates that the extension has been successfully installed and is ready for the next steps. Now that MetaMask is installed, click on the Fox icon in your toolbar. This will open the MetaMask welcome screen. Here, you have two options. Either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. For new users, select Create a new wallet. You will then be guided through setting up a strong, unique password, which is vital for protecting your digital assets. Once your wallet is set up, you can access it anytime by clicking the MetaMask Fox icon and entering your password. This will unlock your wallet and take you to your main dashboard, where you can view your cryptocurrency balances, transaction history, and manage your assets. For quick access, consider pinning the MetaMask icon to your Chrome toolbar, making it visible at all times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.